ladies and gentlemen. So, just was on Marketplace. Found somebody with a setup I want / need right now. So, he's going to get the truck and we're going to go get him. Trade. Very good trade. You're about to see. Tires got pretty good tread. Wheels are clean though. And I traded a set of can't have 5 stars and a couple $100. And I don't think it looks too bad for what they are. We're gonna see. Looks like on the truck. It came out pretty daggum good. You see there's a little bit of hazing in some of them, but they're pretty clean for what they are. I mean, they got chrome peeling. The backs of them are horrible. But the backs of them are horrible, but the fronts of them look good, which is a plus. I think maybe they'll look a little better than what's on there, at least eventually when I do put them on there. Now the real fun starts. This is my transfer case that I've been whining about for the last 2 years. Last mechanical things to do on the truck, and then after the transfer case, I believe everything has been replaced on it, at least been changed, because motor, transmission, transfer case, I mean, I guess fuel lines and fuel pump would be next, but drivetrain wise, shoot, everything else been changed. I got to put a couple things in the front end, and I would like to rebuild this front end before it gets too late, before it starts riding like crap. But said I got some dogs, y'all come get one. But this thing right here is hopefully gonna be rocking and rolling. Also, check out this new thing I got. It's gonna make my videos maybe a little bit better. I'm so excited. I know I take this old raggedy behind toolbox out sometime, but so we got the black turtle loaded up, and we at the old Wrigley's, and we're gonna go in here and buy the whole store, and then be rude to the daggum people that ring me up. It's the closest thing that I found to what I need, because Napa and a Wrigley's, that ain't never got it, so we'll see. But it says I need a couple quarts of it, so I got me a couple quarts, and we're gonna ride on. Go down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Escalade wheels put on, and then jack or the ramps up under here, and then we'll be in better shape. Dang, boy, that looks like a Millennium Falcon, dude. Got this from Gear Shop, and it's a little on the pricey side, but it's supposed to have all the bells and whistles that I need. Looks like a supercharger. EM 246 transfer case, and the other one is in dire need of repair. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this sucker back up and then get back to pulling it. I do in fact have the wheels chalked, and I'm using it. The good old Harbor Freight jack I got. It is the best thing in existence, I can't lie. But I put one of them metal plates right there behind the other side. I know, but just fine. So I did just do a service and everything on this, but it's about to go out, and I can smell it. First we got to do, pull this off, and then go down here. We'll pull that off. Pull the front drive shaft off. Put all the drive shafts over there. Then there's a couple little mounting spots. Brackets, there's like one here. And then I think there's something right here. I don't remember. But then I'll get those taken off. Then there's a couple of bolts up there. Couple sensors. And then this thing will be out. Well, fellas and fellahettes, Had to come in this joker because there was about 30 coyotes out there howling off. So I 2 times, and I'm gonna let it chill for a minute. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get me a snack, a nice little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. 2 times, and that ain't gonna hurt nobody. So I'm gonna eat that, and then. Okay, well I cannot lie, it is freezing, and my hands are cramping up real bad, so can't work on it no more. So I'll try it again tomorrow. She's out of there. I wish I could have recorded that because I was holding it up with my foot on one side, and then eventually I was just holding the whole thing up with one hand while it was on the jack, and then jack, like it was a catastrophe. But nothing hit the ground, and it stayed on the jack the whole time, so it's good. But for all in all, it wasn't too bad to take out. Can't lie. I mean, it was just like, honestly, probably like 12 bolts. This is a Bulldog gear shop transfer case. Comes with everything you need. Tells you everything to do. I think it was $890, I think. It's quite, yeah, $890, but it's worth it. Let's put this joker in. I done procrastinated a little long, and it may or may not be sunsetting right now, but it sounds so much better, and I can't believe how quiet it is. As you can tell, it's done, it's good. We're in drive, and we're gonna roll on down the road here. I also have this tree in the yard. Oh shoot, I got some dirt in my shoe. I also have this tree in the road that I have to get, just because I'm a good Samaritan. Of course, you wanna go ahead and hit that. Good old 1, 2, skip a few. Oh, it's not even on the gas. Decided to back down the road, and I got her pulled out the way, got it all cleaned up and nice and neat. And I'm about to pull the top of this down there so that all the water can drain still. And I piled everything up right on the side of the road out of the drainage area. I can't lie though, I'm wicked surprised that it's doing it this good, because I'm releasing the brake and it just doesn't. Like, my foot's still on the brake. Still on the brake. Still on the brake. Alright, let's go back to town. I'm ready to eat my chicken biscuit. I ain't got it yet. I hope they still got some when I get there. Well, I added a antenna, and I got my CB up in there. I got it all in there, and it works. Thanks for watching the videos. And I got a couple more videos coming, and it's just a matter of piecing them together, because these videos are multiple months of footage at one time. But I'm trying to get them at least once a month right now. Maybe I'll get to 2 a month, and then hopefully once a week and stuff like that. But for now, this will do, I believe. The next video is going to be a build series. Not really a series, it'll be a 1-episode build of my buddy's truck that me and him did together. We had a blast doing it, and it turned out phenomenal. So I'll get that edited up and posted. But me and Rue say peace out.